If you're searching for the best dash cams of 2026, stop. One of the most popular options is fake 4K, and I'm calling it out. 8 cameras, $100 to $600. Every price tier covered. Links in the description. Let's get into it. Tier 1. Budget dash cams. $100 to $150. Product number 1. REDTIGER 4K dash cam front rear for $109.99. For a sub $110 camera, the hardware is genuinely impressive. Key specs: Sony STARVIS 2 sensor, 4K front and 1080p rear, 170-degree wide angle, GPS, 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi at 20 megabits per second. Free 128GB card included. Daytime footage is sharp. Night vision holds up better than expected. The STARVIS 2 sensor and f1.5 aperture are doing real work. Here's what they don't tell you. Parking mode needs a hardwire kit sold separately. The 1080p rear struggles with plates at highway speed, and the suction cup loses grip in summer heat. Use the adhesive mount. Best for commuters wanting front and rear coverage on a tight budget. Not for anyone needing sharp rear evidence at distance. Honest specs, solid entry point. Product number 2. ROVE R2 4K dual dash cam front and rear for $109.98. At the same price, the ROVE looks like a deal. Free 128GB card, GPS, 5G Wi-Fi, rotatable rear camera. Here's why I'd skip it. Key specs: marketed as 4K front. Actual capture is 2.5K upscaled. 1080p budget rear sensor. 150-degree field of view. 3-inch IPS screen. The front is a 2.5K chip stretched to fake 4K with zero added clarity. In low-light areas, both cameras struggle badly with license plates. The reality check. Fake 4K marketing. Night vision non-existent without streetlights. Rear footage too weak for evidence. Best for daytime commuters in well-lit cities. Not for dark roads or rear footage that holds up in a claim. The REDTIGER outperforms it for 1 penny more. Tier 2. Mid-range dash cams. $150 to $250. Product number 3. VIOFO A229 Plus dash cam front and rear. $159.99. This is the first front and rear dash cam to put genuine Sony STARVIS 2 on both cameras. That distinction matters. Key specs: dual Sony STARVIS 2 IMX675, 2K front plus 2K rear, genuine, not upscaled. Dual channel high dynamic range, 5 GHz Wi-Fi, quad mode GPS. Both channels deliver sharp, license plate readable night footage, a real step above every 1080p rear in this lineup. Here's the catch: no SD card included. Circular polarizing lens filter sold separately, but essential in bright sunlight. Parking mode requires the HK4 hardwire kit. Best for commuters wanting honest dual 2K with strong night vision on both channels. Not for anyone expecting complete out-of-the-box setup. The value leader of this lineup. Product number 4. Vantrue N2X 2.7K dashcam front and inside for $199.99. The N2X isn't a general dashcam. It's built for rideshare drivers, and nothing in this tier comes close. Key specs: 2.7K front and 1080p interior. Sony STARVIS 2 front sensor. 4 infrared LEDs for cabin night vision. 158-degree front and 165-degree interior. Magnetic quick detach mount. Optional LTE. The IR interior delivers clear black and white passenger footage in darkness. The magnetic mount swaps between vehicles in seconds. The downsides: No rear camera, so rear collisions go unprotected. Plate legibility drops beyond 1 car length at night. Hardwire kit for parking sold separately. Best for Uber, Lyft, and taxi drivers needing front and cabin protection. Not for commuters who also need rear coverage. Quick pause. If this is helping, hit that like button and drop a comment with your budget. I reply to every one. Tier 3. Premium dash cams. $250 to $400. Product number 5. Vantrue N4 Pro S4 K3 channel dashcam for $279.97. This is my personal pick for the best all-around dashcam in 2026. Key specs: true 4K front with Sony STARVIS 2IM X678, 2.5K IP67, waterproof rear, 1080p interior with infrared, triple STARVIS 2 on all channels, 1 TB card support, optional LTE. First 3-channel cam with STARVIS 2 on every lens. The IP67 rear means truck and convertible owners can mount it externally. Optional LTE adds remote monitoring for families and fleets. What you need to know: G-sensor over-triggers on bumps, lower sensitivity in the app. Angle is tricky on steeply raked glass. No SD card included. Best for truck owners and daily drivers wanting 4K front with waterproof rear. Not for plug-and-play simplicity. Tune the G-sensor and this is hard to beat. Product number 6. Vantrue N5 S4 channel 360-degree 2.7K dashcam for $399.99. If 3 channels isn't enough, the N5S gives you 4. Front, 2 interior angles, and rear. Key specs: 4-channel, all Sony STARVIS 2, 2.7K front and 1440p rear, and dual 1080p interior. Dual infrared cabin cameras, 1 TB card support, 10-second pre-record buffered parking. The dual interior cameras cover the cabin from both ends, capturing side windows a single cam misses. Drivers have caught hit and runs in parking mode that 2-channel setups would have missed. The trade-offs: front maxes at 2.7K, so plate capture falls short of 4K rivals. Wi-Fi app drops often needing manual reconnection. 4 channels burn storage fast, 256 GB minimum. Best for rideshare operators needing dual cabin coverage. Not for front resolution or smooth app experience. Best coverage breadth in the lineup. Tier 4. Luxury dash cams, $400 to $600. Product number 7. VIOFO, a 329 S4 K3 channel dashcam for $429.98. The A329S delivers the best video quality in this lineup, and it's not close. Key specs: 4K front with STARVIS 2IM X678, 2K rear with STARVIS 2IM X675, 2K fisheye interior at 210 degrees, widest cabin view of any consumer dash cam, Wi-Fi 6 at 30 megabits per second, SSD support to 4 terabytes, circular polarizing lens filter included. The 210-degree fisheye eliminates cabin blind spots. Wi-Fi 6 means pulling a 4K clip to your phone takes seconds. Here's where it falls short: no cloud or LTE monitoring. Firmware updates require manual PC connection. SSD compatibility has ongoing bugs. Best for drivers wanting the best video quality and widest interior coverage. Not for remote monitoring or automatic updates. Nothing in this lineup touches it on footage quality. Product number 8. THINKWARE U3000 Pro, dual dash cam front and rear for $579.90. This is the most expensive camera here, and most people don't need it, but if parking is your priority, nothing comes close. It uses radar to detect motion around your car. Key specs: 4K front and 2K rear, dual Sony STARVIS 2, dual radar on both units, Super Night Vision 4, advanced driver assistance systems alerts, OBD2 cable included, optional LTE, 64GB card. The radar triggers before an impact, smarter than camera detection that fires at shadows. The honest truth? No screen, so setup is app only. LTE and cabin camera can't run together. Footage is outperformed by the A329S. Best for drivers wanting smart radar parking and advanced driver assistance systems alerts. Not for best footage per dollar or combined LTE and cabin monitoring. Most innovative parking system here. Let's break down the winners. Best value overall, VIOFO A229+, dual genuine STARVIS 2, honest 2K, leads mid-range in every metric. Best for rideshare, Vantrue N2X, infrared cabin camera and quick swap mount built for the job. Best coverage, Vantrue N5S, 4 STARVIS 2 channels, dual cabin angles, most comprehensive available. Best video quality, VIOFO A329S, 4K front, 210-degree fisheye, Wi-Fi 6, unmatched clarity. Skip this. ROVE R2-4K dual, fake 4K, weak night vision, budget rear sensor. My pick, Vantrue N4 Pro S, triple STARVIS 2, 4K front, waterproof rear, 1 TB, optional LTE. All 8 links are in the description, organized by tier. If this saved you from a bad purchase, smash subscribe and drop a comment with which camera you're going with. I reply to every comment. See you in the next one.